All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. 6-in-1 miners, the Cake of Fortune, Elk of Fortune. By the way, Elk of Fortune has been delayed. There was a little bit of, they caught a bug before it launched. So we're going to go over that a little bit later. Today, we're going to be talking about BUSD crop yield farmers. Yep, we're going to make a claim on film. This project's been going fantastic. It pays out in BUSD, so you don't have to worry about waking up in the morning and the coin being down 30%, or in 1 week being down 50%. BUSD is pegged to $1. We're going to go over a whole entire thing on BUSD crop yield farmers. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. We'll go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day own some cryptocurrency, be in some projects, know how to understand it. Get this out of the way right now. I'm not a financial planner. I do this for educational purposes only. I'm documenting my journey on DeFi. So again, all this is for educational purposes only. Let's head over to BUSD crop yield farmers. All right, one of my top 5 favorite projects, BUSD crop yield farmers. There's a couple things here. There's a plan 1 on this little bad boy that pays 2% daily for 200 days. It gives you a 400% ROI. There's a plan 2 that pays 2.5% daily for 90 days and a 225% ROI. A plan 3 that pays a 3% daily for 60 days and 180% ROI. And then there's a plan 4 that pays 3.5% daily, 40 days for 140% ROI. Let's go up here and look at my stats. I put in $781 into this program. I've withdrawn so far $361, so pretty much half, and I have $19.24 sitting there. Every single day when I wake up, there's $19.24 sitting there. It's fantastic. I don't have to worry about the coin dropping. Let's show you how simple this is. You're going to see this go up, this 361, and you're going to see this 19 going to my wallet. We hit withdraw. MetaMask opens up, and basically we go ahead and hit that, and all of a sudden you're going to see this go away here in a second. Let's take a look here, the $19. Where will it go? Oh, look at that. It's at 378. So far that $19 just jumped down into my wallet, which is fantastic. I've received $378 back. No referrals. I'll put my referral link in this. I don't know why you guys don't like this project. It pays in BUSD. And look at the minimums that you can do. All right, so for plan 1, your minimum is all you have to put is 30 BUSD in this. Maximum is 6,000. In plan 2, your minimum is 40 BUSD. The maximum you can put in is 8,000. You can also compound and get a 5% bonus if you want to do this. Plan 3 is a 50 BUSD minimum and a 10,000 BUSD maximum. And plan 4 is a 60 BUSD minimum and a 12,000 BUSD maximum. Taking a look at my little stats here. I actually did 3 plans. I did plan 1. I put 200 BUSD in it. I get 2% a day. I get 175 more days of doing this. So I've been doing this for 25 days. Plan 2, I put 69 BUSD in. Get 3.5% a day. I get 15 more days of it. In plan 2, I put the most in. I put 512 BUSD. I still got 69 days of getting paid 2.5%. So notice that if I receive 378 back, I've already got both of these deposits back, my 200 and my 269. That's like 269. I've already received that back. My 512, I received half of that back. So I got 3 of these going. I never did the plan 3 here. Let's see, I did plan 1, plan 4, and plan 1, plan 4, and plan 2. Over here, a couple things. They talk about the plans that we already talked about. They talked about the requirements that I already talked about. A couple anti-wear control features. There's a 48-hour cutoff time, a 24-hour cooldown. So like I just claimed right now, I can't claim again for 24 hours. If I decided to compound, there's a 12-hour compound time. The maximum you can put into this little bad boy is 36,000. The maximum withdrawal per day for all the whales out there is the most you can get is $1,000 a day. Contract features, there's plan rewards, it's a special event pool, it's project statistics, the compound functions with a 5% compound bonus. The bonus is non-staking, and this is an experimental DeFi farming app. As you see, it's crop farmers, all rights are reserved. So one of the reasons we like this little bad boy so much is because of our other friend here, this crop farmers. Take a look at this crop farmers. This is why I like it so much. The BUSD crop farmers, there's still $421,000 into this. My only mistake is I only put $250 in. Take a look at this. I've already received $731 back. 2/3 of my money. I got 5 referrals on this for $99. This is a 12-hour compound. I just 35 minutes ago just took some money, and look, it's right there. $39 is in my wallet. So I got $39 in my wallet, basically, from this crop farmers, and I got $731 back and put $250 in. Now, some of the features of this program is this pays 8% a day. There's an 8% referral bonus, a 4% daily hiring bonus, 12-hour compound timer. So you have to compound twice a day, every 12 hours. And then after you do it for 5 days, then there's 2 days that you can actually let your 48-hour reward accumulation cut off. So the way I look at it is for 5 days I compound, and the 6th day and the 7th day I let my card fill up. 10-time mandatory compound. If you do it 2 times a day, that's where the 5 days comes in. If you take your money out too early, there's an 80% tax. So this little project, $250 in, $731 back, loving it. That's why we like this one. By the same, George started this one too, BUSD Crop Yield Farmers. So you gotta love it. Also, any of you that are gonna like this project, I'm gonna put my referral link in the bottom. Also want to go over to another one of my favorite projects, the Elk of Fortune. This little bad boy has been running for over about a month now. There's $12,000 in the contract. Literally, it pays 3% a day. When you go over here to the YouTube, you're going to hear Crypto Craig.
Hello, welcome to my next YouTube video. My name's Crypto Craig, and today is Sunday, so we all know what's going on today. It is the rehypothecation day. So today we are going over the Elk of Fortune, and we are on 1030 cake. In the past 5 days, we have had an increase of 3.5% each day.
All right, so there's Crypto Craig. And the other thing here, let's go ahead and hit back. Elk of Fortune is awesome. If I go over to a Telegram group, the Elk of Fortune got postponed yesterday. They found a bug in their program. And I want to show you where here on the Telegram. You go right up to the little frog with the glasses. Here he is. See the frog with the glasses? And right here, Craig is talking about...
So, basically, what it was is the code we did, and because we changed it because of the haze finale, because we changed them functions, there was working perfectly. But as we withdrew, because one of the test wallets hit the max withdrawal, the eggs function turned out to be like 100 billion miners just because they withdrew the max amount. So because they withdrew the max amount, it totally crashed the whole system with the contract. So basically what we've got to do is remove the anti-whale. The anti-whale is a major issue.
So here's the thing. You can go right, this is 18 minutes long. You're going to want to listen to it. It's right above the frog in the Telegram group. Crypto Craig explains everything, how everything works, which is important. So you're definitely going to want to go over there. Listen to Crypto Craig. He's going to explain 18 minutes worth of what happened on Elk of Fortune. I'm super excited about this project. The Elk of Fortune is going to put 1% back into the Elk of Fortune. I like both of these projects. In fact, all 3 of these projects, all 4 of these projects, BUSD Yield Farmers, BUSD Crop Farmers, Elk of Fortune, and Elk of Fortune. These are some of my favorite projects right here. So you're getting them all at one time. But I just want to go tell you that, again, yesterday Elk of Fortune did not launch. Go to Elk of Fortune, Telegram. They actually took the contract down because they didn't want nobody to put the money into the Elk of Fortune and then have to pay the person back. So if you go to Elk of Fortune, the link is not there anymore. I went there today, so that's why I'm doing the Cake of Fortune, and I went through the Telegram group that way. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I've already received half of my money back from crop yield farmers, BUSD yield farmers in BUSD, which is fantastic. Click right here, and I'm going to actually list a video of BNB Miner, one of the best miners on the planet, been paying for over 450 days. And click over here, and I'm going to list a Cake of Fortune. All right, everybody, these are some of my awesome projects that are happening. There's been so many miners that people have lost money on. On all of these, I'm not losing money on it. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.